Hello friends, this is Preeti and today's video is going to be very much interesting because I'll be sharing with you a very healthy recipe which is of oats and also tell you about the benefits of having oats in your diet. Oats is one of the best superfoods as it has many nutrients and some antioxidants that is very good for your heart health, for your sugar levels. If you are diabetic, if you have oats on a daily basis, it is going to help you a lot. Oats lowers blood glucose levels. It provides antioxidants. It is good for diabetic. It is good for heart patients. It is good for your digestive system. It eases constipation. It relieves skin itching and irritation. It lowers your chances of colon cancer because oats has so many useful properties. It has contain powerful soluble glucan fiber, beta glucan fiber. Now let's get started with the recipe, that is banana oats smoothie.
आज मैं आपके साथ ओट्स स्मूदी की रेसिपी शेयर करने वाली हूँ, जिसके लिए हमें चाहिए ओट्स half a cup and then curd 1 full cup, banana and 2 dates. With just this 4 ingredients, very simple ingredients, we are going to make a whole breakfast for you every mornings. So let's get started. मैंने जार में ओट्स और दही को ऐड कर लिया है और मैं अब इस डेट्स को डालूंगी. इसको थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेट कर लीजिए. For natural sweetness, I'm adding dates into it. You can add even little honey if you find it's sour, or अगर आपको ज़्यादा थोड़ा मीठा पसंद है तो आप natural sweetness आप हनी भी डाल सकते हैं. और ये bananas for those vitamins and mineral content and fiber too. And it's done. थोड़ा सा honey. And there you go. Banana oats smoothie is ready to be served.
Hope you have liked this video and the recipe, and thank you so much for watching, and please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time with another topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.